The Gocycle Sport Ergo grips come fitted as standard to the Gocycle GX, but they can also be fitted to the Gocycle GS, providing a significant comfort upgrade. Firstly, remove the bar end plugs. A flathead screwdriver can be used if necessary. If part of the bar end plug breaks off, we recommend pushing the remaining parts into the handlebars by at least 60mm. To remove the old grips, twist and pull them off the handlebars. The grips are glued on and will be very tight. If they cannot be removed this way, you can cut down the length of the grips to remove them. Fit the left hand grip first. Align it over the red button holder, then tighten the clamp on the end using a 4mm hex key until the grip cannot be rotated. Fit the right hand grip so it matches the position of the left grip, then tighten the clamp in the same way. It is important to ensure the grips cannot be rotated. If they can, you will need to tighten the clamps further.